Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today's lesson is the fourth lesson in a series about places around town. In this lesson, we're going to practice reading. Let's actually look at the objectives for today's lesson. The first objective says, I can read a paragraph and answer questions about a neighborhood. The word neighborhood means the place where you live and the things around it. The second objective says, I recognize and understand basic vocabulary words that we use to describe places around town and prepositions of location. Let's go ahead and read a paragraph. On your screen, you see a paragraph and 6 questions. This paragraph is actually a letter to Lana from Angela. Listen to me read this letter and you follow along. Hi, Lana. I love my new apartment. It is in a great neighborhood. My children's school is across the street. They like the school a lot. There is a community center down the street. My husband works at the grocery store next to our apartment. He can walk to work. There's also a great Chinese restaurant on 3rd Street across from the grocery store. My new place is in the best location, but I miss you a lot. Your friend, Angela. Now let's go ahead and look at the 6 questions. Answer each question with either yes or no. Answer these questions now, and then I will give you the answers when you come back. Go ahead and pause the video now. All right, let's look at the answers to each question. Number 1 says, the school is across the street. The answer is yes. Number 2, her husband works at the community center. No, her husband works at the grocery store. Number 3, the Chinese restaurant is across from the grocery store. If you answered yes, you're correct. Number 4, Lana works at the grocery store. No, Lana's husband works at the grocery store. Number 5, the community center is across the street. No, the community center is down the street. And the last one, number 6, Angela loves her new apartment. The answer to number 6 is yes. I hope that reading activity helped you understand some new words. Let's look at our objectives for today and see how we did. Can you read a paragraph and answer questions about a neighborhood? I think you can. Can you recognize and understand some of the basic vocabulary words that we've learned to describe places around town and prepositions of location? We had practice with that too. So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.